Hi everybody, Jeff here with another episode of Jeff Attempts. So, we were doing our full maintenance, checking around different things, checking windows. Noticed that our north facing windows had a significant amount of actually this kind of moss material. And when we were trying to take out the screen to do some cleaning, oh, look at that. Just like that one. It actually broke right off the little tabs to pull the screens out. So these tabs get brittle, and whenever you try and take screens out, they seem to just snap these little tabs. So went to the hardware store and I bought some new tabs for just such an occasion. They are right here. Hopefully these are going to last a little bit longer than the current ones. They seem a little bit more sturdy, I hope. So as you can see, it's a lot of moss and dirt and debris on these. So we cleaned the windows. Well, Jen cleaned the windows because she's better at it than I am. So what we want to do though is we need to take the spline out. That is this black material, kind of this weather stripping situation. It keeps the screen in the frame. It also holds those tabs into the frame too. And as I'm seeing with this one right now, and I had the same issue with another one, this spline is really dried out, brittle, and it is just falling apart. So I am going to replace that. But first, you got to remove this old stuff. Take that all out. And luckily, these windows, these screens have been around a while, so the screen is pretty well in place, not going anywhere. But I've got to get on the underside here and pull this screen out a little bit to get the last little bits of these tabs out, just like that. So then what we do is we go on the underside, so the screen is flush with the frame, so that means it's the back part. Over here we've got the springs. These go on the top. So I'm gonna pop these guys in. Now a little trick. Whenever I'm working on a home project, I seem to make multiple trips to the hardware store because I either got the wrong part or the big thing is I got the wrong size. So these splines, at least at the store that I was at, come in 3 sizes. And my intelligent, wonderful wife thought that I could make better use of my time if I, instead of making multiple trips trying to find the right one, in the first trip, buy 3 sizes. So I got a small, a medium, and a large, basically. And I found out that it was actually the biggest one that fits my screens. So I just kind of snuck that out of the top tab right there. Tuck that back in. Return the 2 that I didn't use. Have this one, and I'm good to go. I will show you on the bottom part here what we're gonna do. So we gotta take our spline roller. Everybody's got one of these, right? Spline roller. And you get that tight into the corner here. And you just roll that right in. And there's 2 sides actually. There's a convex rounded side, and a concave where it's got a little channel in there. Use the channel side of the roller. That works a lot better with the spline. So really get that in there. And then cut off the end. Go over it one last time. Ideally, these will last for quite a few more years and everything will be great. Thanks for watching, and please share, like this, give it to other people. If anybody's got more questions on screens, give me a call, or if you want to buy or sell a house, you know, that's always good too. Thanks a lot.